social media lang. Oh, kaya yun lang yung topic natin. But we cannot, but it was, we are not delivered. No. Congressman Barbers, you have delivered in your privilege speech a wide, comprehensive approach on this matter. Everything inviting over the survey firm is also correct.
Yeah, maybe we
Because
can
we are tackling not only the House Resolution number 2147, we're also tackling two privileged speeches that was delivered by you. So I think may basis po yung kay Congressman Marcoleta.
Congressman Marcoleta, your query is valid. Unfortunately, I think it's the fault of the COMSEC for not inviting, because you have to consider as well that we have invited so many already for the bloggers. It was like 40, and we cannot accommodate everybody. And that's the reason why your query is so valid that we will be inviting them in the next hearing. And at the same time, having said that, your story about being victimized of those two broadsheet can be tackled in the next hearing. So the next item.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, you have the floor right now, Congressman.
I just would like to find out if Miss Elizabeth Cruz, a.k.a. Joey Vivre, was invited.
Consent,
If he
please.
was invited,
Mr. Chairman, once
I'd
again,
like...
a point of order, Mr. Chairman.
What's the point of order?
Once again, Mr. Chairman, the floor is still with Congressman Marcoleta, and is she okay na po ba? Kay
No.
Congressman Marcoleta with regards to the query that
Well,
I
actually,
move to invite Philippine Daily Inquirer and Philippine Star.
Yes,
and
yes,
it was
yes.
approved. Now,
Well, actually, I have already taken action.
I
on
know,
the
but
query of
the floor is still
Congressman,
with Congressman Marcoleta, and I asked personally Congressman Marcoleta to the chair if he is satisfied with the motion that I have made, Mr. Chairman. And after that, siguro, let's proceed with another member of the House of this committee. Mr.
Congressman
Chairman.
Marcoleta, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I still have to include another aspect of inquiry. Kasi hindi lamang po yung social media at saka yung mainstream media. I was also personally victimized by certain survey firms. Nagsasurvey po sila. For example po, yung SWS, kailangan sabihin ko na po. Nag-survey po sila ng third quarter survey last year. And they listed 40 names, senatorial preferences. Nandito po sa akin, ibibigay ko po yung kopya po, reference ng ating committee. There are 40 names mentioned and indicated in that list. Ito po, Mr. Chair. Gusto ko lamang pong emphasize na dito sa apat na pong senatoriables po na kanilang ginamit dito sa survey na to, meron pong 6 na relatively unknown. Babasahin ko po ang pangalan. Adonis Jerome, Andamo Jocelyn, Arambolo Ronel, Doringo Mimi, Floranda Muri, Danilo Ramos. Meron po naman 7 na sikat, Mr. Chair, pero hindi naman nagpahayag po ng pagtakbo bilang senador. Andiyan na po si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, dating Senador Franklin Drilon, dating Senador Richard Gordon, Harry Roque, dating Vice Presidente Robredo Maria Leonor, at saka po yung ating Secretary of Defense, Gilbert Chodoro. Pero po malinaw dito, Mr. Chair, hindi po nila ako nilagay dito sa 40. Pero no pong yung outcome pong ito ipalabas nila, number 36 po ako. Paano po mangyayari na ako po'y magiging number 36 hindi naman po kasali rito? Ito po yung klase ng mga manipulative surveys na pinaniniwalaan po ng mga tao. Sana po hindi na lang nila ako sinama sapagkat wala naman ako rito. Sino po ba si Adonis Jerome, Andamo Jocelyn, Arambolo Ronel, Doringo Mimi, Floranda Modi, Mr. Kong Barbers, may kilala ka ba rito? Bakit naman po, hindi ko naman po pinagpipilitan na isama nila ako rito. Ang problema, hindi po kasama, Mr. Chair, pero nilagay po nila ako doon sa resulta, number 36 ako. Hindi naman tama ito. Ito po yung gusto nating i-address lahat. Hindi lamang po social media.
We understand that your predicament,
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Marcoleta. And,
Bibigay ko po yung
and this
kopya para sa
and this
referensya po.
representation also doesn't believe that. Because on my own assumption, nasa top 5 ka. So, Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chairman, just
Mr. Chair.
But kidding aside, no.
Mr. Chair.
Kidding aside, we have to
Mr.
tackle that issue as well. Espoused by Congressman Marcoleta. So we will be inviting over in the next hearing, what survey firm is that? SWS and the Pulse Asia. Ilan ba yan?
Ito lang muna yung nakita ko.
Because-
At saka yung Manila Broadcasting Corporation.
MBC. Because in the House resolution itself, the House resolution number 2147, it clearly states,
social media lang.
yeah,
Medyo lang eh.
Oh, kaya yun lang yung topic natin. But we cannot,
but it was
We are
it
not
was delivered. No. Congressman Barbers, you have delivered in your privilege speech a wide, comprehensive approach on this matter.
That
And
is
I think
correct, Mr.
inviting
Chair.
over the survey firm is also correct.
yeah, maybe we
Because
can
we are tackling
expand.
not only the House Resolution number 2147, we're also tackling two privileged speeches that was delivered by you. So I think may basis po yung kay Congressman Marcoleta. Okay, and at the same time, so there's a
Mr. Chair,
noted po yung kay Congressman Marcoleta. Now,
May I now
Congressman
be
Chairman
recognized?
Abante, now you are recognized.
my query is if we have invited a certain Elizabeth Cruz, no? AKA Joey De Vibre, Mr. Chair. If we have invited her and she has an excuse letter, may I know what was the excuse, Mr. Chairman?
Consec, please answer the query of Congressman Abante. Please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Miss Elizabeth Joy Cruz was invited and she sent an excuse letter via email.
Ano po yung kanyang excuse letter? Ano yung dahilan?
One moment, sir. I'll get it from the chair. Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Comsec, can you kindly also try to tell us those resource persons who have not attended